This is a Donau Danusys 1510 machine. It's a static table, so the X and the Z and the Y move around the table, which makes it easy to understand the X, Y and Z movements in terms of positive and negative. It's got an 8-station tool changer, spindle speed maximum 4200, and the table is 1500 by a metre with 700 mil of travel in the Z-axis. So it's a decent size machine, pretty quick, rapid. Not exactly sure what the rapid travel is, but it's pretty fast. The tool changer will change the tools manually or from the tool changer, so it picks them up from this rack at the side of the machine. But if you call out a tool that is not in the rack, for example one higher than 8, so if you called out tool number 9, it will actually bring the spindle towards you. It'll put away whatever tool it's got in, if there's one in, bring the spindle towards you, you place your tool in the spindle. It goes through all the procedures, so it tells you to clamp and unclamp and everything. Then it takes that tool away and uses it, and then when you call another tool, which if it's say for example you called 1 to 8, a tool 1 to 8, it would then bring that tool over to you for you to remove, and then continue and pick its tool up from this rack of tools, this 8 tools. So it's quite good in that sense, but the problem with it is that it will get mixed up if you don't follow the strict instructions on the screen. It will say to you to change the tool. It'll tell you when to press the cycle start to continue. So it's all there, but if you ignore what it says, then you can crash this tool changer. It will crash into the tool rack. So you must obey the orders as it says to you as it comes up and brings the tool. The machine's got a Heidenhain 426M control, which is a pretty high level control. It's got a full QWERTY keyboard and loads of editing functions, nice decent size memory, and something to be very careful of with this machine is if you fill that memory up, it doesn't actually tell you. It will tell you eventually that it's just had enough, but on the way there it does some weird shit. So be very careful. If you start getting strange things happening when you're editing or whatever, it's probably that the memory's full. We've actually cleaned this one out so that there's not much in it, so it's now functioning lovely and running around really fast. So you're going to press the FCTA twice. Once brings it up, tool change manual, and then it moves over, comes over to where you want to be. You've got to keep your fingers obviously on those safety buttons. That's over there, and it comes up on the screen, unclamp tool. So you can either use the unclamp button there, or you can use the big red, don't press it though.
No, because it'll fall out.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So now you can change the tool. Make sure you carefully support the weight of the tool. Yeah. Load up. Then it says on the screen, it says clamping please. Yeah. So then we're going to clamp the tool up. Yeah. Now what it wants you to do now, can you remember this next bit? It's telling you to close the guard and quit. So close the guard. Yeah. And then you press your button now to quit.
Which button is it to quit? That one?
No, that one. That's it. Yeah. And now it's asking you, is that the correct tool in the spindle? So if you press clear entry now, that will actually clear it. Yeah. So now it's happy. So it's important that you do that check. It's saying, have you got the right tool in the spindle?
Yeah.